Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I made this caramel popcorn without corn syrup. This is so easy to put together with my step-by-step guide. So if you like to see how I made this, then stay tuned. Welcome back guys. So for this recipe I'll be using a micro popcorn, and I'll just go ahead to pop in the microwave between 2 to 3 minutes. So for the list of ingredients, I'll be using 140 grams of brown sugar, 95 grams of butter, 9 cups of popcorn, between 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. If you don't have a corn syrup, you can substitute that for 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon vanilla extract, half teaspoon salt. So guys, I will begin by preparing my caramelly sauce, and I will start by placing the saucepan over the low heat, and I'll just go ahead and melt my butter. And once the butter is melted, I'll just go ahead to dump in the brown sugar and continue to mix until the sugar is dissolved. And once the color changes a little bit, I would go ahead to add in the salt and honey. If you are using a corn syrup, you can add at this stage and continue to stir till the sugar is dissolved and the color changes to dark brown. So guys, at this stage I'm just going to leave the sauce to simmer between 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat, so that it can have that caramelly look. So once you see bubbles forming, then it's time to remove the sauce from the heat, and I'll be adding the baking powder and the vanilla extract, and continue to stir until the flour dissolved completely. And once I'm done, I'll go ahead to coat my popcorn. Now I'll be pouring the sauce on the popcorn. Please bear in mind that your caramelly sauce must not be too hot or cold while turning it on the popcorn, because if it's too hot, then your popcorn is going to melt, and that won't be good for the popcorn. And if it's too cold before you dump it on your popcorn, then it's going to be hard and difficult to work with. So have this in mind. And I'll continue to coat the popcorn until it is well coated with the caramelly sauce. Also be sure to use a large bowl for coating your popcorn, so that your popcorn doesn't get crumbled while coating. At this stage I'm done with the coating, and I'm going to be transferring it on the parchment paper, and I'll be using 2 baking trays. So because I want my popcorn to have a little bit of space in between, I just want my popcorn crunchy. So I would just be transferring the popcorn on the baking trays, and once I'm done, I'll be baking. So now I'm going to go ahead to bake my popcorn, and I'll be baking at 200 degrees for 20 minutes or until it is crunchy. So while baking, at every 5 minutes interval, I'll be checking the popcorn and stir it so that the color can be the same. So guys, our caramel popcorn is ready. This is very crunchy and the taste is so good. Your caramel popcorn can be stored in a covered glass jar and you can store it in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. Also remember to like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you. Bye bye.